Today we're going to be covering a pre-sale project that we have already covered before. It's amazing, it's huge, and it's growing rapidly, but it's still not too late to get in. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, I'm talking about PepeHeimer. You might have heard of this before. If you haven't, well, I'll explain everything to you in this video right here. But without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the video. So as you can see right here on their website, we have some impressive numbers that we need to cover. They are up 10x from their pre-sale price from our previous videos. Well, 3x from our previous videos, and from the first video it's up nearly 10x right now. So they have raised a total of 18 million USDT, and the pre-sale is still live. Here you can see the current price for one PEHEM. Of course, you might seem that the price is going up and it's too late right now, but I bet you that it's not, because these pre-sales tend to grab a lot of attention, and the more scales, the faster pre-sale climbs. As you can see, there's 11 days left until upcoming listing news, so that is something that you should watch out for. Also, PEHEM is now one of the fastest growing pre-sales with $18 million raised, and there are rumors that it's heading to major exchanges very soon, which I'm very interested in hearing. So listing date, you can also see that it's October 17th, so that's confirmed. And also I want to show you guys some screenshots right here saying nuclear phase final stage on July 15. PEHEM exits the lab and enters the markets. So another post right here about big listing announcements. It's listing on Bitmart exchange. We also have PEHEM listing on Uniswap, and we also have pre-listing countdown on July 31st. New bonus, bigger ways you can get a 200% bonus when you buy PEHEM using code Heimer200. Two more centralized exchange listings are locked and loaded. The official launching date will be revealed until July 31st. Don't miss it. Again, insane bonus, so you should still grab this while you can. Also, a few pre-sale highlights that I want to cover is that the pre-sale price is still a fraction of the project's listing price. Early buyers are already seeing 10x gains from stage 1. Price projected to hit $2, so be fast, not earliest, but not too late to buy. Of course, listing announcements on July 15th. Next one is rumored to be on July 31st, so we already have those. You can go ahead to their socials and check out all of the related info there regarding the listings. But of course, we have the major listings very soon to be announced. Also, there's a 45% bonus for tokens for new buyers till July 31st, so you might have missed it. But if you want to participate in new events where you could get some new bonuses, well, make sure to again follow them on their socials. I'll have those all linked down below in the description. Also, a overview of what PepeHeimer is. Well, it's the first Pepe meme coin with AI-powered yield optimization protocol. It offers zero fees, allowing the smallest frogs to join in with the help of rollups. They also offer atomic HeimerFi. If you want all of the exact details, you might want to watch our first video that we did on PepeHeimer. It goes into the details of the project and explains all the features there. And if I will just go with every video about explaining all of the details about detailedly, it might get repetitive, and for you guys who are watching the third video right now, might be a bit boring. But again, HeimerFi is a tool that helps users identify potential profit opportunities and allocate your portfolios to earn profit, all automated by AI. They also have Gem Fission, a tool that helps users identify hidden gems, and also layer 2 blockchain, which solves all of your gas fee problems. How to buy it, you might ask? Well, all you need is Ethereum, Arbitrum, or BSC. Just select the amount you want to pay with. So of course, if I want to pay with BNB, enter the amount I want to spend, and here's the amount of PEHEM you will receive. Also, if you have your promo code, make sure to enter this to get some more bonus tokens. Also, they are featured on a lot of newspapers, which we have covered before in our previous videos, so that is also a very nice sign. But again, with $18 million raised, and it's still growing very strong, the listing price is predicted to be around a few dollars. So as you can see, one PEHEM right now is worth only 1 cent. So if we put this price at a $2, we're going to be having a 200x from this exact price. They also offer staking, where you can earn big rewards with 1,945% API. Pre-sale has been going on for a while, but the price is still low. You can also invite your friends via a referral link for a 10% commission, and also get a 200% bonus when you buy PEHEM using code Heimer200. So also guys, I just wanted to point out one extra thing in this video is that they do have a 1000 Ethereum auction event where new buyers and early holders can join a 10-week contest with a 1000 Ethereum prize pool, massive rewards, weekly winners. Here we can see the post right here, ETH auction listing confirmed for October 17th. So that's very good to hear. And with the pre-sale wrapping up fast, they're preparing a brand new exclusive event for both early and new buyers, 1000 Ethereum auction. Stay tuned for full event details dropping very soon. So use again bonus code. This is PepeHeimer. No moment, not gonna lie, but the Ethereum giveaway is really crazy, and you can again join it by being an early investor or a new buyer. Also, here you have exact details on how to participate. So after the successful 200% bonus offer, which has ended, next event for all PEHEM buyers is here. How it works: each week they'll rank participants based on how many successful referrals they make. New PEHEM buyers using the referral link. Duration 10 weeks. Weekly prize pool: 100 Ethereum distributed to top 10 referrers. So more investors you bring, the bigger reward you'll get. All rewards will be claimable directly on the official website. Referral counts resets every week, meaning everyone has a fair shot to win, no matter when they join. Whether you're already in just getting started, now it's time to spread the world and claim your share of 1000 Ethereum. So in my opinion, this is really crazy. I mean, if you have a lot of people, or if you're an influential person around here, you have literally a chance to win 100 Ethereum, which is over $100,000. So if you want to participate, make sure to start doing this right now. With this being out of the way, I also want to show you guys that they have their, of course, token audit. So if this is your first time watching, make sure to go through the audit. Make sure to do your own research on the project, so don't miss out on any flaws, because with every project that you're investing in comes the responsibility of doing your due diligence and seeing if it's not scam, if it meets your investment criteria, and all of that extra stuff. So make sure to go over the audit, make sure to go over the white paper, make sure to go over everything this website has to offer, so you could make up your own opinion if this is the right project for you guys to invest. But as you can see, the top exchanges listings are indeed secured. MEX, XD, Coinstore, LBank, HDX, Uniswap, Bitmart, 20 more tier 1 exchanges from US and globe. I mean, it's amazing how fast the PEHEM community has been growing and how fast the pre-sale has been growing. And I just wanted for you guys to show you an update on how this is all going, because we did cover this project when there was only $1 million raised in the USDT pool. So again, let me know what you think about PepeHeimer. Let me know if you have heard of this before, if you have any PEHEM in your wallet already. But I did want to, of course, guys, mention to you guys that PEHEM is growing rapidly, and this is not a project that you should miss out on. Make sure to do your due diligence on PEHEM. Make sure to explore what PepeHeimer is about, and make sure to give them a follow on their socials, because they are making waves in the crypto market. But again, thanks for tuning in to another one of the videos, and as always, I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.